What's going on, guys? Tonight is a special coronavirus edition of Cooking with Lamia. I wasn't gonna do this, but I had free time on my hands, so fuck it, why not, right? Alright, so I thought I had originally bought lamb chops. It turns out it's lamb leg center cut steak. So I'll be making that. There's two of them. Now, this process is very simple. It only takes about 10 minutes tops. And I'll go through the process and I will show you guys what to do and get this thing going. So really quick, I am going to face it this way until I'm ready for you guys to see what I'm doing. So you got the butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the butter, and I'm sure most of you people know what I'm going to do and how to do this. Is very simple. For those of you who do not cook, you can use butter to fry anything. It's a very simple process. You take the butter, scoop it out, and you dump it into your pan. Very, very simple. You want to make sure that you have enough butter so that it covers the entire, not the entire pan, but a decent amount, because you know you want what you're making to cook even. At the same time, you also want it to taste good. So I think I'm good on my butter. I'll put that to the side. There we go. So I have that. Now you got my butter. I got my spoon. Just leave my gas on high. Leave your gas on high also if you're gonna make this eventually. You kind of just want to move all of your butter around the pan. Make sure the whole pan is covered in butter. I like extra butter. I think it adds a decent amount of flavor. And kind of just move it to the side, and I'll take that, put that over there because I don't need that. Alright, now just bear with me. I'm kind of one-handed this right now. So alright, so now I'm gonna open this up. Actually, these are pretty decent size. Decent amount of meat. So I got that. Again, I'm one-handed this, so bear with me. Kind of want to just do that, get this shit off. There we go. Alright, so now you got your two lamb steaks there. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic. Whatever's good enough. Garlic. I'm gonna add some salt on top. Some onion powder. Now again, you guys could add whatever spices you want. This is just how I do things. And of course, you know what's coming next. Bam, the Cajun spice. There we go. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that it cooks, and it cooks even. Now I like it medium rare. That's just how I like it. You guys can cook it any way you want. See, look at that. You hear that sizzle? That's how you know. And you know, obviously you guys can't smell it, but I don't lie when I tell you that it smells amazing. So I'm just gonna grab a fork really quick, kind of move it around. I want to make sure that there you go. So what you could also do, and it's also very smart to do, is that you see this butter, and now I know some of you are probably saying, oh my god, he added so much. Why did he do that? See, the butter also acts as the juice, or the gravy, or whatever you guys want to call it. I know some of you prefer gravy, juice, sauce, whatever it is. It's none of those. It's juice. So, again, just to show you really quick, that's how the bottom looks. Now, obviously, it's not done yet, but flip it over a little bit, and it's okay if that happens, because the bone is essentially going to come off anyway. Obviously, you're not going to eat the bone, so if it does look like that, it's okay. It's fine. It's still good. There's nothing wrong with it. And again, like I said, you want to make sure that both sides are obviously not this pinkish color. So you want them to get dark. Like I said, I like mine medium rare. Again, I'm not going to eat any vegetables with it because I don't feel like having a vegetable. I had vegetables earlier today. And, haha, you know, I'll make a joke real quick. With this toilet paper shortage and this coronavirus shit going on, I don't need to be going to the bathroom more than I have to. So, with that being said, I'm not doing vegetables. You guys could do vegetables, you guys could do rice, you guys could do Uncle Ben's rice that you just kind of throw in the microwave, heat up for 90 minutes, 90 seconds or whatever. 90 minutes, wow. 90 seconds, and you're good to go. And that's really it. It's a very simple process. Obviously, see, alright, so now this side is obviously a little bit darker and good and whatnot. Now, obviously it's not done yet because it's still very pink. And I'm not going to eat it like that, obviously. So, flip this back over. And, again, I like to cook it on high. Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to cook faster because it's on high. I just think it's a more efficient heating level and what I prefer. I kind of want to push it down a little bit. Now there's going to be fatty parts on it. There's going to be parts of it that might not taste as appealing as the other ones do. You know, obviously you don't have to eat it. You can just cut it off, the fat, if you don't like the fat parts of it. But it is what it is. And again, this is very simple. It's very simple. I started this maybe 7 minutes ago. So maybe, what, like 5:45 around my time? And it's almost done. It's very simple. Especially if you're one of those people that work late. If you're one of those people that work late hours, you don't really want to cook a big meal. This shit literally took me less than 10 minutes tops, and that's it. Now, well, what I could do really quick, and I guess I could show you maybe, is, here, I'll show you really quick. I'll put it like this so that you can see what I'm doing. Well, not really, but, oh, well, whatever, never mind. I'll just hold the fucking thing in my hand. So, what I was going to do was I was going to cut the bone off so that this one right here, cooks a little bit better because it's giving me an issue because this fucking bone part is up in the air, but it's alright. It is what it is. No big deal. See, now this one's doing the same thing. But whatever. Again, it's no big deal. I will make the best of it. And it's going to cook, you know, good. It's going to be nice. And I'm going to enjoy this. So, obviously, I don't need to show you what the end looks like because you guys already know how it's going to look. This is Cooking with Lamia. Again, if anybody wants this recipe, any of the other recipes for my videos that I have done, you can always DM me. Cooking at my Instagram tag is at Cooking with Lamia. Yeah, I will pop up. The same icon that I use for these videos is my Instagram handle. Feel free to send me a DM, comment on my videos, message me, like, subscribe, tell your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, everybody that you know. I'm trying to do this to help people out. Help me, help you. And remember, guys, stay hungry.